Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus theta minus tan of pi by 4 minus theta equal to 2 tan 2 theta. Here in the left hand side I have tan of pi by 4 plus theta minus tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So separately I want to substitute the formula here. That means tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. And then here I have tan of a minus b. The formula for tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. And then here for this tan pi by 4 value is 1. So in all the places I want to substitute the value 1 for tan pi by 4. So it will become 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta in the first term. In the second term we have 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. And then I want to simplify this by taking the LCM here. At the denominator we have 1 plus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. So I can take this LCM as 1 plus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta, and then cross multiply. We can get 1 plus tan theta the whole square minus 1 minus tan theta the whole square. And then expand by the formula a plus b the whole square here. So that means a square plus b square plus 2ab minus here a minus b the whole square. Use the formula, algebraic formula here. So a square term here, this is b square and this is minus 2ab, and then remove the bracket so that 1 and 1 will be get cancelled here if you remove the bracket, and then tan square and this tan square will be get cancelled there. The remaining things are 2 tan theta plus 2 tan theta, which is equal to 4 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. We can take 2 as the common thing at the numerator. We can split this as 2 into 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So in the bracket can be written as tan 2 theta. In outside we have 2 already there. So 2 into tan 2 theta. Ninth problem. Show that cot 7 1 by 2 degree equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. So you want to find the value of cot 7 1 by 2 degree. This cot 7 1 by 2 can be written as cos by sine, isn't it? Cot is nothing but cos by sine. So cos of 7.5 degree divided by sine of 7.5 degree. Here in the numerator I can write this numerator and the denominator can be multiplied with 2 sine 7.5. I want to multiply both numerator and denominator with 2 sine 7.5 degree. So now I got 2 sine 7.5 degree into the given cos 7.5 degree divided by, along with this I want to multiply 2 sine 7.5 into this one is 2 sine square 7.5 degree. Okay, at the numerator now I have in the form 2 sine 7.5 into cos 7.5. It can be written as sine 2a. Sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. Here this can be written as sine square 7.5 divided by this 2 sine square 7.5 can be written as in the formula 1 minus cos 2a. So 1 minus cos 2 into 7.5. Okay, so this here I have 2 into 7.5. 2 into 7.5 and 2 times 7.5 is 15 degree. So this is can be written as sine 15 degree at the numerator divided by 1 minus, even here also I can 2 times 7.5 is 15 degree. So this is become 1 minus cos 15 degree. This 15 degree can be written as 45 minus 30, and even here also the 15 can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree. So it is in the form of Sin of a minus b, at the denominator also cos of a minus b is there. I want to substitute that formula, sin of a minus b and cos of a minus b. Therefore, now it will become as sin a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by 1 minus here cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. And then substitute all the values here. We know the trigonometrical table. So, we have to substitute all the values here. Everything we must substitute here. So, and then we want to simplify like this. If you simplify here, we got root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1. So, even here this 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 will get cancelled. The remaining thing we have root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1. So, along with this I want to multiply both numerator and denominator with the conjugates. So, here 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 is there. So, I want to multiply with plus. So, it will become 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 plus 3 plus 1. So, just now we want to multiply the numerator root 3 minus 1 into these terms here at the numerator, and the denominator we have a plus b into a minus b. So, I can write a square minus b square, and then I can remove the bracket at the numerator by multiplying the things there. So, by root 3 I can multiply with this the first term as here 2 root 6, and then along with this one and this one I can multiply root 3 into root 3 will become 3, and then the next term root 3 into 1 is simply root 3, and then multiply with minus 1 here. Minus 1 into this one is minus 2 root 2, and minus 1 into root 3 is minus root 3, and minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Then here we can cancel this plus root 3 and minus root 3. So, the remaining thing we have as it is, and the denominator we have square the term. It will become square 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2. So, 4 2s are 8 here. And then here I can expand by a plus b the whole square formula. So, it will become a square is root 3 square is 3 and 1 square is 1, and 2ab term is 2 into root 3 into 1. It will become 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 2. And then if we simplify this, we have 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 plus 2 divided by 8 minus of 3 minus 1 minus 2 root 3. Here if you subtract that, we have 4 minus 2 root 3 at the denominator. At the numerator I can take 2 as common factor, so that root 6 minus root 2 plus 1 will be there, and then I can cancel this 2 and 4. It will become 2 at the denominator. So, the remaining things are, can take 2 as 2 common here. So, take 2 here, then 2 and 2 will get cancelled. The remaining things are root 6 minus root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus root 3. Now, I want to multiply with the conjugate for the conjugate of the denominator. Here I have 2 minus root 3. So, multiply along with this 2 plus root 3 and numerator and the denominator. So, and then I want to remove the brackets of the numerator. So, 2 into 2 root 6 is 2 root 6, and then root 6 into root 3 is root 18, and then by minus root 2 into 2 to minus 2 root 2, and then root 2 into root 3 is minus root 6, and then by 1 I want to multiply 2 plus root 3. So, 2 is here and root 3 is here at the numerators. And the denominator we have a plus b into a minus b. So, a square minus b square, that is nothing but 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. And then we want to simplify at the numerator there. So, root 6 is there, and then root 3 is here, and this 2 root 2 and 3 root 2, this can be simplified as 1 root 2. Keep this 2 as it is. At the denominator we have 4 minus 3. So, 4 minus 3 is 1, isn't it? So, the remaining terms we have this root 6 and root 3 and root 2. This 2 can be written as root 4, isn't it? So I want to write this as in the terms of root, square root. So it will become root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. This is the required answer that we want here.